Welcome to Alone Business Channel. If you have only one photo to which you want to apply the action, you only need one click to finish the work. What if I have more than one photo? With Droplet, you can repeat the same process. Add an action. Save as PSD with Command plus Shift plus S. We have created folder A on the desktop. Save the file in this folder. Close the file with Command plus W. Open the PSD file again. Stop the action. Delete Open. Click File Automate Create Droplet. Click Choose. This time we will use auto.app. Save it to the desktop. Confirm Set and Action. This is the droplet to be created this time. The destination is None. Click OK. Exit Photoshop. We have prepared 5 images. Drag and drop them. Photoshop will start automatically. Start processing. Check the folder. The action is applied. Thank you for watching the video to the end. My goal is to increase my channel subscribers. Your help will help. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.